So we've got this young bird. This is a kind of a trial, like a trial. See how this bird will fly. It's from a red, which has creative flyers from the crazy line, Big Boy Red, which I'll eventually put into a flying blue. But at the moment, we've just got him with another blue, which has never shown signs of flying. I've kept it because it's from the similar line that has given flyers. But we'll see how it goes. So it's going to be a straight blue after it molts. I don't see any red on the bars. That's different. The crest, it's a nice shovel, straight, beautiful crest. Nice bird, young bird. So we'll see how we go with that. Yeah, not too bad. So we've got a Tippler. It's come out looking like the grandfather, which is great. It's definitely a boy. Definitely a boy. Came out all blue. Nice short beak. Not too bad. The grandfather was a crazy flyer. Sometimes used to come the next day, so I wouldn't even know whether he landed just before dark anywhere but he always looked wrecked. His wings were always down. I wouldn't fly him for like a week. But I like that. It's going to be a nice future flyer. So this pair is making me small blues, which a brother and sister of this one from different eggs has proven that they fly. They fly very nice, which is like slow flight, like a butterfly wings, staying up high, a slower flight, but beautiful. So definitely, I'm not going to fly this one and any of that pair. But I'll show the pair as well. This one's coming all white beard. The brother of this one had more white on the wings. This one's coming up straight blue, white wings, beard, nice crest. That's pretty good. This is the father of that young one, and the young ones that have proven to fly. So it's a half Veso, half Tomich. The boys are pretty reasonable size though. Got the nice long tail. Classic look of her head. Beautiful head. Look at that crest. Amazing. That's the boy. They're definitely going to try in the future to make more out of this pair. Have that small birds, different flying style going. And this is the mother. It's 100% Veso line. Beautiful. Small bird. compact.